How's it going, everyone? My name is Jordan. I'm the owner of the loft, and this is my 2010 STI hatch. Today, we're gonna be doing an install video of the new COBB titanium catback. I just got this exhaust for this car from COBB. Thank you, Aaron at COBB. Really appreciate it. I have been building this car for some time now. I built the engine a few years back, and gonna be putting some more mods on this car as well. But I just wanted to show you guys an install video of this catback. It is a really cool exhaust system. Sounds really good. It's super appealing to the eye, and let's go see it. Now that the hangers are on, I'm gonna throw it on the car. Super light, super light. You could throw it. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna throw it, I promise. But it looks really good, really good. Just gonna lube up the stock hangers to put the exhaust hangers on, because these hangers are definitely a lot harder to put on than the stock ones, but that's a good thing. Less exhaust movement. Meanwhile, the whole car is shaking. Go on.
Oh. There we go.
Don't scratch it, don't scratch it, don't scratch it. Pretty. All right, now we're gonna install the second middle piece, not the full mid pipe, but the back half of it. We're gonna slide it right into the muffler here. Boom! Now time for the mid portion. It's gonna bolt on to the down pipe. It is very tight because we use those hangers. Line that up with the down pipe. So bolt up, it's gonna look like that. Now we're just centering the mid pipe with the down pipe with our new gasket. It's a good seal. All right, so now the exhaust is fully bolted up. We had to do a little bit of finagling just to get it on, just because I have a bunch of other braces and I have a kind of a funky downpipe setup, but it fits great. It's really tight, really nice, and it's super clean. We're gonna now throw the tips on and finish up. All right, now the exhaust is on. Gonna continue working on the engine. We're almost done. Got the front mount on, got the whole fuel system hooked up. Headers are on, downpipes on, turbos on. All the fun stuff is already done. Just waiting on a oil pressure sensor. Throw that in there, put the alternator on, and then I think I'm still going to prime it, make sure there's no fuel leaks, and then probably tomorrow we'll get the sensor, throw it in, and get you guys a sound clip. See you tomorrow. Car's all done. That's it for this video. Take it on the dyno tomorrow. We'll see you in the next one.
When the smoke arrives, it ain't over till it's over, right? Feds banging on my door, but I know my rights.